Hi, fifth grade. We are going to discuss lesson 82 of grammar. You need your book. We are starting on page 435. Our vocabulary today starts with the word bliss. Bliss is a noun. It means great happiness. For example, Ivy knows the bliss of riding through the cool forest on the back of her favorite horse. Our second vocabulary word is the adjective blissful. Blissful means full of great happiness. For example, blissful Ivy rides horseback through the cool forest on a sunny day. Our lesson today is about demonstrative pronouns. The demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. We sometimes call these pointing pronouns. They point out a person or a thing. Demonstrative should sound to you a lot like the word demonstrate, okay? So a demonstration is an example of something. A demonstrative pronoun points out a specific person or place. That makes it sound like I'm talking about proper nouns, but I'm not. Demonstrative pronouns just distinguish a person or thing that's being referred to. Demonstrative pronouns need to agree in number with the antecedent, meaning with the noun that it's pointing out. So, this and that are singular. These and those are plural. We use this and these, this singular, these plural, to point out persons or things that are nearby in space, time, or awareness. We use that and those, that singular, those plural, to point out persons or things that are farther away. Now, obviously, this is a little subjective. What one person thinks of as close and another person thinks of as far away might be the same distance. So there is some interpretation as to which pronouns you should be using in each situation. As you become more adept writers, you'll be able to use those words more carefully and to decide for yourself which ones are correct. We want to avoid the error of ever using here or there with demonstrative pronouns. We just don't do that. Our demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, and those, can also function as demonstrative adjectives, which is a subset of limiting adjectives. We'll know the difference if it's a demonstrative pronoun or if it's a demonstrative adjective, because if it's standing alone, it's a demonstrative pronoun. If it comes right before an noun, it's a demonstrative adjective. So you can see on page 436 some examples. These are too big. In that case, these is a pronoun. These shoes are too big. In that case, it's an adjective. These comes before shoes. It's still demonstrative. It's still pointing out something, but it's acting as an adjective instead. So let's look over our practice. If we are looking at A, blank, an adjective means full of joy. And I hope all of you just said blissful. B, blank, a noun, is great joy. And you all should have said bliss, and I'm sure you did, out loud in your homes. Great. For C through G, choose the correct demonstrative pronoun and write the noun it points to. Great. So C, this, these is a painting of mine. We should use the pronoun this, and it is pointing to painting. this is a painting of mine. D, that, those are the colors of a sunset. We should use the pronoun those, and it is pointing to colors. Those are the colors of a sunset, right? The sunset is farther away from us. Colors is plural, so we want to use those. E, this, these is their distant relative. Okay? So we want to use this. This is their distant relative. Relative is the noun that's being pointed to. So relative is singular, and one presumes this is an introduction of some sort, so the person is standing close to you or in the same room as you, nearby in proximity, so you would use this. These, that are my reasons for studying art. We want to use the pronoun these. The noun that's being pointed out is reasons. Reasons is plural and close. So we want to use these. And G, this here is the key I was looking for. We want to just use this. This is the key I was looking for. We don't need to use here when we use the demonstrative pronoun this. Okay. So that is lesson 82. I hope this was helpful. Good luck with your review set, and I will see you guys here later. Bye.